Welcome back. The coin value. About the UK 2 pence 1971 coin. Its value in the upcoming heritage auction. The UK 2 pence coin was first minted in 1971 as part of the decimalisation process that saw the old system of pounds, shillings and pence replaced with the new system of pounds and pence. Now let's talk about the value of this coin. The value of the two new pence coin varies depending on a few factors such as the condition of the coin, its rarity and historical significance. The most valuable two new pence coins are those that are in excellent condition and have been well preserved. These coins can fetch a high price at auctions and are highly sought after by collectors. For instance, the 1971 2 new pence coin and uncirculated condition can be worth up to £30,000, whereas a circulated coin may only be worth a few pounds. Now let's talk about the upcoming heritage auction where rare to new pence coin is going up for auction. The coin in question is a 1971-2 new pence coin that has been graded by the Numismatic Guarantee Corporation (NGC) as being in mint state 66 condition. This means that the coin is in exceptional condition with no visible wear or damage. This rare coin is expected to fetch a high price at auction. Thank you for watching.